What's up, guys? It's your boy Ink and Photo Writer coming at you from Durham, and I wanted to take some time to explain why I have been absent from, the videos. So it's been 2 weeks that I have not posted, and that is due to the fact that somebody in my family passed away, and this was due to complications with what's going on right now. I really do not want to do well on that situation, but I did not want to also, post things and make it about me because it was about my family, and it was a time for us to basically think about things that are more important than just us, the grander scheme of things. So because of that, I did take a little break. I apologize for not informing you guys, but then again, I was not aware of what was going to happen in this situation. So here we are today, attempting to make the best out of a situation that is quite natural. As we all know, death is part of the cycle and we have to accept it. We cannot be sad about something that naturally happens. But today, I want to take you guys on the new road of Linda. What will happen to Linda? So you see, my motorcycle is a little bit old school, a little ergonomic. She's great for riding like long distances, which is perfectly fine if you have a bad back, which I don't. I actually purchased this bike with the design to turn it into a cafe racer, and I'll explain to you guys what a cafe racer later on. But what I want to do with this motorcycle is basically custom build it. Now I have no idea as to how to do that. I have no skills in mechanics, whether it comes down to cars or for that matter motorcycles. But in the attempt of doing so with my property, I will learn skills, which I will in turn transfer to you guys. Now if you guys are smarter than me, maybe you guys can start customizing motorcycles and eventually sell those. That would be great, right? But for me, it's not about that. It's all about just taking a shot at things and learning from the experience, because why the hell not, right? We have to spend money. Might as well spend money and build skills while doing so. So first things first, let's start with design, because that's where we should always start. Let's go back into Photoshop.
Alright guys, so now we are in Photoshop. I am of course going to make this 1,000 times faster, and please do not judge my workflow. It is horrible, so you Photoshop gods out there, be gentle. Nonetheless, I want to start with the horrible looking mirrors that they give you in the Royal Enfield motorcycles. They look like antennas. In my opinion, I don't want to look like a little bug running at 80 miles per hour, because that's the max this motorcycle can go. Another good thing about getting rid of this large piece of metal is that it will make the motorcycle a lot lighter. And when a motorcycle is a lot lighter, of course, it will make it a lot faster. And that's basically the goal of the cafe racer. You want to basically get rid of anything that is unneeded and minimize in order to become faster, because really I'm not going to take a shot into destroying my bike's motor yet. Alright, photo riders, let's get going. So we're going to start the installation on my motorcycle here. We're going to get rid of the antennas and put on cool actual really awesome mirrors, as opposed to looking like bugs. Nobody wants to look like a bug, right? Alright, so let's take a look here. Yeah, hands in, let's go. So first we're going to start by loosening this part. And the good thing about the Royal Enfield is that it has tools included, and you can just basically use the tools that you have included on your motorcycle. You don't need to buy anything fancy. So let's get going. Boom. Learn how to tool, not that. Where's the tool? Dun, 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 dun. No. So the interesting thing about the Royal Enfield is that you have to twist both towards the right. This one as well. So that's how you get rid of the little antennas. Now we're gonna actually get to installing this part. So you have the choice of orientation. You can make it orient like that or like this. I prefer like this. I don't know, for some reason a sadder look on the handlebars kind of looks cool to me, so I'm gonna give that to my bike. So I'm going to orient them like this. So this is just a cheap mirror that I got from Amazon. It's not nothing fancy. You guys don't have to spend a lot of money to make your motorcycles look cool. Now this particular kind came with a filler, which you don't have to use, but if you want to, you can. I'm actually just going to use the slide protector that my motorcycle has as opposed to this. But if you want to use this, go ahead and do so, but I'm not. Alright, so going back to the installation, as you can see, I'm making them go down like that. So don't forget about your washers, you know, washers make it so it's more difficult for this to come off. So always use your washers, guys. That's what I was told. So that's the only piece of actual knowledge that I can impart to you guys, which was given to me by my father, who actually happened to be really good with cars and things that were mechanic and whatnot. So I know he's watching right now, and by him watching right now, I mean like he's like in heaven. My boy left a little early, you know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it for this part right here. So I am using the lug nut that came with my motorcycle just because I want to keep my parts together. You know, why switch it when you don't have to? And that's pretty much it. I think that looks already pretty badass, if you were to ask me. It's nice and secure, and that's movable. All right, so that's number one. Now we're gonna go onto the other side and finish this off. Let's go. All right, now we're gonna get onto this other side, and I'm just going to make all of this become faster, so it's not as annoying to you guys. And ta 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 ta, and then ta ta. Ta 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 ta-da, and then that goes in here. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it, and that's how it looks from the front now. I think it looks a lot better, a lot slicker, a lot sexier, as my girlfriend liked to say. But yeah, this is the new look of the Royal Enfield. Now we're going to just put everything back together, you know, make sure I hide everything, all my tools, and that's pretty much it. So Alright photo riders, if you found some value in this video, please hit the like, and if you'd like to subscribe, please do, and if you don't, that's fine too. Just know that you're dead to me. Nah, you're not. But I mean, it would be cool if you did. I mean, that'd be pretty cool. But if you don't, it's totally cool too. Please come back. I'm always gonna try to put content out there that does bring some value to you, in the hopes that you increase your income, and maybe I get a shout out or two. Yeah, at least a like. Yeah, maybe share on your profiles, you know, on your Instagram and stuff. Please do. Yeah, sweet. Anyways, see you next week, and that's it. Take care. Peace.